Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to post multiple pics on an Instagram story. First of all, open up the Instagram application on your phone. Once you get into your Instagram account, tap on Add Icon. Then from here, you need to tap on the story option from the bottom right corner. Now from your story, tap on the images icon from the bottom left corner. This will lead you to your phone's gallery. So, select multiple pictures from here and hit the arrow to proceed to the next step. Then, edit your photos individually if needed and arrange the photos in the order you want them to appear. You can also add any additional elements like text, stickers, or music. After that, tap on the share button and choose this 4 spaces layout. And then, hit the arrow icon now. The story is all set to be uploaded. If you prefer to create a pre-designed collage before posting your story, you can use a third-party app like Layout from Instagram or Canva. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below and I will see you in the next one.